Elegance, class and speed. The Bentley Flying Spur has it all. But functionality, not so sure. So this client came into us with a few issues with the car. Obviously a car like this is loaded with technology, so many features, but also so much to go wrong. So here at CBS Automotive, we specialize in vehicle electric, involving repairs, fixing things, but also improving technology. So the client came into us with one problem. The head unit in the car, which controls the whole system, including suspension, the car settings, and of course music, was just showing the Bentley logo and completely yellow. Now, that might sound like a weird issue if you don't own one of these cars, but it is an extremely common issue with these vehicles. The head units do have issues, and when they do, it can be expensive. However, here at CBS Automotive, we are the specialists in this, and we know how to fix these units and also then how to upgrade them. So the client, as well as obviously wanting that head unit to be working properly, also wanted to improve the functionality. Obviously, a car like this is the ultimate daily, and one that you'd want all your modern creature comforts in. And so adding in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto was vital to this car staying in his collection. The car came into us with that issue. So I'll take you through the steps that we took here at CBS Automotive to make sure this car is perfect and can now be returned to the owner with one, a working head unit, but two, the upgraded functionality of wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. When the car came in, we first took an initial diagnostics to find out what the issue was with the car and how it could be resolved. That included taking out the unit, assessing the situation and getting it repaired and making sure that it's perfect when it came back. That involved a new screen and new internal components to make sure it's absolutely perfect now. What we were able to do with that screen now it was repaired is add in wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. If you've ever used this system, it is a game changer. I hate driving cars without it, and that functionality you can bring to a car like this, even when it's getting a bit older, is insane, guys. It is one of the best upgrades you can add to pretty much any car. This uses the factory screen and uses all of the buttons that you were using before to still control the system. So your volume, your skip track, your buttons are still used exactly like you did before, except now you have your Google Maps, your Waze, anything you want on that main screen you can now have, and the functionality that brings you is amazing. Absolutely love this upgrade. Now, a lot of our clients also add on a reversing camera to this option. If your car doesn't already have one, we can do that, as well as also a front camera on most models. Now, this car, of course, already had a reversing camera, and again, that is all fully retained, again, with the parking sensor display as well, giving this the full functionality and OEM feel that you'd expect from an install of this level. Now, installations like this take time and care to get done properly. The skills that the guys and the engineers have here at CBS Automotive are insane, and that's why it's really important to have an install like this done properly and professionally by ourselves here at CBS. Now, if you have a car like this, or maybe exactly the same as this Flying Spur, and you want to add in the same functionality, or maybe you're experiencing issues with your current radio, please do let myself or my team know, and we will happily find a solution to your problem. Now, I hope you've enjoyed today's video on this absolutely beautiful Bentley Flying Spur, and if you're interested in having a similar upgrade, do let me know. And I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, like the one below and subscribe to the channel for future content just like this. Thank you for watching.